In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a free landing page in Canva. Start by opening your browser and heading to www.canva.com. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so your work saves automatically. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button. Click it and choose Website. This tells Canva you're building a scrolling single-page experience that works on both desktop and mobile. Next, pick a template that matches your brand's vibe, or choose blank website if you'd prefer to design from scratch. Templates are a great head start. They already include layout, color, and font pairings, so you can focus on content rather than reinventing the wheel. Let's customize the homepage. Click on any text and type your headline or copy. Keep your headline short, clear, and benefit-focused. To replace images with your own, go to Uploads, select Upload Files, and drop in your photos or logos. Drag them onto existing frames to swap them in. Adjust buttons, colors, and layout as needed. Consistency is key here. Use a limited color palette, stick to 2 complementary fonts, and make your primary call to action buttons stand out with a contrasting color. When you're ready to build out the rest of the page, add additional sections. At the bottom of the canvas, click Add Page. Use these pages as sections like About, Features, Testimonials, or Contact. Keep each section focused on a single idea and make sure there's a clear visual hierarchy, headline, supporting text, and imagery, so it's easy to scan. Now link your buttons so visitors can navigate. Click a button, choose Link, then select a page within your design or paste an external URL. For a simple flow, link your main button to your contact or sign up section, and link secondary buttons to features or about. Before publishing, preview everything. Click Preview in the top right and check both desktop and mobile views. Look for line breaks, image cropping, and button spacing. If something feels tight on mobile, resize text and increase spacing so it's readable without zooming. When it looks good, publish. Click Website in the top right, then Publish Website. Choose the free Canva domain option, which uses canva.site. Click Continue, then Publish. Canva will process your site and generate a live link. To share your landing page, click View Website and copy the URL. You can paste it into emails, social media, or your profile bio. And remember, you can always return to Canva to edit and republish as your content evolves.